Sully, Miracle on the Hudson, American's hero. And here's Russia's new hero. What did Sully give to aviation? He showed all the pilots that it is possible to make good decisions and land a plane safely, even in extreme circumstances. And now Russia has its new hero. Look at the man on the left. This man here landed a plane just now in a field with no engines. Both engines were off.
Всем привет, я с самолета, который упал. Немного расскажу, что случилось. В общем, мы взлетали с Жуковского примерно через секунд 5 после взлета. Самолет начало очень жестко трясти. Вот, и прям вот просто очень сильно.
Hello everybody, I'm from the plane that just fell down. Several seconds after we just took off, the plane started to shake a lot and shudder, and then the lights were going on and off. And smoke, we could smell it in the cabin. All the lights in the cabin went off on the right side. The plane then landed safely and everybody ran out. Everyone's fine. Flight number U6178, 230 people on board. The plane flight was from Moscow to Crimea. It was an Airbus a321. And the pilot was Damir Yusupov. This pilot did a fantastic job. No one could do this type of landing. He did the right choices. Now I'm going to tell you some things about this pilot and also some quotes from the media. This is just coming out now, and this is all the information I can gather. His father was a pilot of helicopters, and this is one of the reasons why he was so professional in this crash. I wouldn't call it a crash, it was a forced landing. And he was able to, with both engines not producing thrust, he was able to put the plane down. There was a bird strike on the port engine first, and this started to smoke and fire, and then quickly after, the starboard engine, the right engine, also went out, no thrust. Here are some quotes from people who were on board. Quote, "One man has a broken arm, but all injuries are light." Quote, "The left engine was on fire, and after that, the second engine, the right engine, stopped working and started to catch fire." Quote, "We're standing in a field. One man in front of me has a broken arm, but they haven't told us anything. I hold my cross now, and definitely I believe in God." Quote, "The engine was making a clumping sound, and they tried to restart it over and over again." This is from Instagram right now. Quote from pilot, "Going right to the sun next to the line of corn." Amazing. Quote from a girl, "The whole plane was clapping, and when we landed, we came to the pilots and the flight attendants and hugged them all." The reason this man is so good is because he studied to be a lawyer. He was a lawyer, but he always dreamed to be a pilot. So he had it in his desires, and he was very intelligent. And look what the results are. This is the kind of people that we should have as our heroes, and we should have as our pilots, because they have 233 people in their hands as they're flying. They should be high-level, intelligent people that can pull off this kind of emergency landing.